Ki Samla Pule Doctor Postgraduate Trainees Neiah, Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Kilapilong ke Jingiakhih Shah Thngan ke balam yad minta Nyosni, Bandawa siu ke stipend ke balayad minta Jan Shisnem, Hinre kam Shimla siu. Kidawaru ban pinyeso ya ke institute bat ke jing ithu na nehu, pat banthung nong hikai pura nambar ke jing ke bami na ke jing bom non nong hikai pura. Ha ke janmi jong ka artarik no pra arja arpusau, U Abdul Sadib Khan Under Secretary jong ka Ayush Ministry, Ulawan Shishilong ban ya kendo iki Samla Pule ki Bashong Shah Thngan. Ha kate ke jiwan jong ulakular bahapo shitayo an siwi ka stipend, kaba ki Samla Pule ru klap dia. Henry halor ke jia so bat ke nehu, ong ba ka shong ha ke nehu ban minjur ne em, kat ba ke jingthung nong hikai kan shong ha ke academic council bat ki bor ba daipen jong ka nehu. Hadian balapin honi ki Jingdawa, ki Samla Pule ki la Weng Noh ya ke Jingiakhih Shah Thngan, ha ka tei hi gamien.
And all our PGs, those who were on the hunger strike, they are ready and agree to call off this hunger strike along with all the strike. We are happy to announce that. And at the same time, we are so happy for all you guys for constantly supporting, being stood over here with us, being mental support, emotional support, and at the same time, see the time it is. It's very late evening, but still all you are here. I just want all of you to just come forward so that everyone can see who are the faces. You all are individual are the faces. Please come outside and see. One student, then 8 students, they were there. Then we joined them. And then they came over here with the law, with the democratic way, under the guidance of all our respected seniors. We established that we are winning it. It's a huge victory. You should celebrate it. Bharat Mata ki! Neiah student! Students of Neiah! Students of Neiah!